Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to duet a video on TikTok in 2023. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So when you duet a video on TikTok, you're actually giving your reactions to it. So let me show you how to do this. So you want to first open up TikTok and you want to scroll through the videos and decide which video you want to do it with. Once you've found the video, you want to go ahead and tap on the share icon here at the bottom right. Now from the bottom menu, you want to swipe left until you see Duet. Tap on Duet. Once you tap on Duet, this will now take you into the TikTok's editing screen. There are 4 ways you can do it with that video. So the first way is your green screen mode, where you can basically record yourself or another person and the video will be in the background, like here. The second way is left and right version. You have yourself on the left and you have the video which you're duetting with is on the right. You can swap this around by tapping on these arrows here. The next one is picture in picture, where you can have yourself in full screen and the video which you're duetting is in small screen. And the next one is up and down version, where you can have yourself down here and the video which you're duetting is above, or you can swap them around by tapping on that arrow. Now once you're happy with the layout, you can go ahead and press the record button, and now you can basically give your reaction or duet with this video. And there you go, that is how to duet a video on TikTok in 2023. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.